In this video, you'll learn how to place a bid on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to participate in auctions effectively and increase your chances of winning items you desire. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you're on the home page, use the search bar at the top of the page to enter keywords for the auction item you want to bid on. After your search results load, locate the specific auction listing that interests you and click on it to open the detailed view. In the auction listing, take a moment to review all product details thoroughly. Pay attention to the seller's feedback score, which is located near their username, as this indicates their reliability. Additionally, check the shipping costs and the item's condition to ensure they meet your expectations. It's also important to note the auction end time displayed on the listing page, as this will inform you when the bidding will close. Once you have verified that the item meets your criteria, look for the button labeled Place Bid on the listing page. Click this button and a new field will appear prompting you to enter your maximum bid amount. This amount should reflect the highest price you are willing to pay for the item. eBay will utilize automatic bidding to manage your bids on your behalf, increasing them incrementally as needed until your maximum limit is reached. After entering your bid amount, carefully review it to ensure it is correct. Once you are satisfied with your bid, confirm the entry. This action officially places your bid in the auction. Following this, you will receive notifications if another bidder outbids you during the auction. It is advisable to monitor the auction regularly until it concludes, allowing you to adjust your bid if necessary to remain competitive. At the end of the auction, the highest bidder will be declared the winner of the item. If you are the winning bidder, ensure that you complete the payment promptly according to the seller's instructions. This process is crucial to secure your purchase and receive the item without any delays.